In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit your payroll settings on Gusto. Once you are logged into your Gusto account, start by looking at the left sidebar, click Payroll, and then select Payroll Settings. This is the main area where Gusto keeps the most important company-level payroll options, so it is a good place to go anytime something changes in your business. From here, you can update several different sections, depending on what you need to adjust. If you are making changes related to payroll taxes, find the Tax Setup area. To change your federal tax information, click Federal Tax Setup. To change your state tax information, click State Tax Setup. Take your time in these sections, because tax settings can affect how payroll is calculated and filed. Make sure the information you enter matches your official business and tax records. If you need to update the bank account used for payroll, go to Bank Accounts. You will see the account information listed there. Select the option to edit, and then update the bank details as needed. It is a good habit to double-check for typos in account and routing information, since incorrect bank details can delay payroll processing. Next, if your pay timing needs to change, scroll down until you reach Pay Schedules. This section controls when payroll runs for different groups or schedules you have set up. Find the specific schedule you want to adjust and click Edit next to that schedule. Review the pay period, pay day, and any other schedule details shown, and then make your updates carefully so your team gets paid on the correct dates. To update company information that can impact filing details, go to Company Details. Here, you can update items like your legal name or address. These details are often used on tax forms and filings, so keep them accurate and consistent with your official registration and mailing information. After you make changes in any section, click Save for that specific section. Gusto saves each area separately, so saving right after every edit helps ensure nothing is lost. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.